Between and among are prepositions. Let's look at the difference between these two words. Here is Chile. Here is Argentina. In the middle, there is a mountain range called the Andes. There are mountains between Chile and Argentina. Chile is on one side, Argentina is on the other side. The mountains are in the middle. There are mountains between Chile and Argentina. In general, between as a preposition of place is used to say something or someone is in the middle of a space separating two things. The lady is standing between two sunflowers. There is a large sunflower on both sides of the lady. In general, among is used to say that something or someone is in the middle of something or in a group of things. It is surrounded by something or is a part of a group. The hedgehog is among the leaves. This means it is surrounded by leaves. But there are more uses of between and among in English. Let's look at them. We can use between to connect two periods of time. The bank is open between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. He lived in Japan between 1994 and 1997. Note, we do not use among with periods of time. We can also use between to show the interval between 2 points on a scale or a map. The temperature fluctuates between 20 degrees and 30 degrees. Starting next month, there will be 3 new flights a week between Madrid and Rome. Between can be used to show a connection or relationship between 2 or 3 things. There is a contract between the landlord and the tenant. Can we keep this information just between you and me? Between can sometimes be used for more than 2 things when those 3 or more things are identified individually. There is a new trade agreement between New Zealand, Australia, and Indonesia. You have to choose between the blue one, the green one, or the red one. Among is used to show a connection or relationship between 3 or more things that are not distinct, especially when considering a collective relationship. It is commonly used with group nouns or collective nouns. There was disagreement among members about who should be the next club president. Panic spread among the students when they discovered that they were about to have a surprise test. Sometimes you will see among written as amongst. Amongst is more formal and less common. He just wanted to spend some time among friends. Or you can also say, he just wanted to spend some time amongst friends. Amongst is more formal and less common. Compare these 2 sentences. The pencil fell between the books. There were only 2 books and the pencil was in the middle. The pencil fell among the books. There were more than 2 books, and the pencil was surrounded by books. Compare these 2 sentences. There is an exchange agreement between the University of Auckland, Waikato University, and Lincoln University. Here, we are specifying the universities. Remember, it is possible to use the preposition between with more than 2 things when those things are identified individually. In this example, we have specifically identified the universities with their names. There is an exchange agreement among the universities. Here, we are not specifying which universities. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, share it with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Have an awesome day!